continue. Number 2, the Rabbinic Prohibition. In order to prevent any possible transgression of the Torah prohibition, the sages added a further restriction. By rabbinic decree, it is forbidden to place any uncooked food item, even for a short while, in a hot area where it could eventually become cooked. This decree was enacted out of the concern that the person may forget and remove the food before it is cooked. Just 1 second. Thus transgressing the Torah prohibition. So basically, in some areas, I would say, let's say, I think very good example, next to the stove. It's not on a stove, it's not on a blech, it's not, but very close. So, but it is so close that even your countertop is hot, basically, right? So maybe it's not going to get cooked very soon, very fast, but eventually, meaning in any period of time. So if there is a potential for this item to get cooked, we're not allowed to put it in that area. That's rabbinical prohibition. In practice, therefore, one may not warm up any raw, we're talking about raw. So you can warm up the cooked food, but we're talking about for raw food is forbidden. They say even for a moment. Because why? You might forget, and next time you remember about it, it's completely cooked, which is a problem. So one more time, in practice, therefore, one may not warm up any raw or partially cooked food on any heat source that is capable of cooking that item. The permission of the methods of the warming up food on Shabbos will be discussed in chapter 3 and 4. So it's the next chapter, how we can warm up. So I think that's, this is introduction, but this third chapter, I would say, the most important, how you can warm up the food.